Hi everyone and welcome back to DidyToys. That's the second part of Baby Rattle tutorial. You can find the first one in description box below, and there is also a card with the link on the top of the screen. Today we are going to crochet the collar, ears and the ring cover. We'll sew all the parts together and decorate the muzzle. If you're a complete beginner and find the tutorial too difficult, it might be helpful to watch Amigurumi Basics video. A card with a link is displayed on the top of the screen. You can also find it in description box below. Let's start crocheting. I start by magic ring as always. Now a chain stitch and 6 single crochet stitches into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now tighten a bit and the first round is ready. Now the second one, 6 increases, which means you crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around. That's the second increase. The third one, increase number 4, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and the last one, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now a single crochet in each stitch around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That was the last round. Now fold the detail and crochet the edges together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first ear is ready. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Crochet the second ear, following the same pattern. Don't forget to leave a tail for sewing. I'll make a knot to start and then crochet 20 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. A slip stitch to connect the edges and a chain to start the first round. Now crochet 3 double crochets in each chain around. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the second stitch. 1, 2, 3, then 3 half double crochets into the next stitch and so on till the end of the round. The round is ready. Now connect the edges with a slip stitch. 2 chain stitches to start the second round and a double crochet in each stitch around. No increases or decreases needed. I'll skip again and meet you when the round is ready. The round is ready. Crochet a slip stitch to connect the edges. But I want to change the color, so I'll attach the additional yarn first and make the slip stitch using it. Now a chain stitch to start the third round and then a single crochet in each stitch around. I fasten the tails in the process. Cut the remaining yarn and continue crocheting. I'll skip a bit and meet you when the round is ready. The collar is ready. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Use a sewing needle to connect the edges. Insert the needle onto the first stitch and then insert it between the front and the back loop of the last stitch. Now fasten and weave in the tail. Weave in all the remaining tails. The collar is ready. Let's move on to the muzzle sculpting. Use a strong thread and a longer sewing needle, 2 threads held together. Again, it's better if the thread is of a similar color, but I didn't have one. We shape the eyes first, one by one. And the second eye. And one more time if needed. Now the muzzle. Tie a knot to fasten and weave in the tails. The sculpting is ready. Let's move on to the nose embroidery. I use thin velour for the nose. You can use some other yarn. First the muzzle. And now the nose itself. I make a triangle first. And now I'll fill it inside with simple stitches. The nose is ready. I fasten the tails with a knot and then weave them in. A very cute muzzle indeed. Let's decorate the eyes now. I use a piece of white yarn and a sewing needle. Decorate the eyes one by one. Just a simple stitch. Arrange it a bit. And the second one. Now fasten with a knot and weave in the tails. Looks much better now, doesn't it? Now let's make a cover for the wooden ring. About half of the ring should be covered. First make a knot to start and then crochet a chain of a suitable size. The number of stitches depends on many factors, so just check it from time to time if the size is appropriate. That's 15 stitches and it's too little. "25 chain stitches, and I'll crochet 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I've got 30 stitches in total and it's okay for my ring. I'll crochet now a half double crochet in each stitch till the end of the first row. No increases or decreases needed. The first row is ready. Now make a chain stitch and turn your work. A half double crochet in each stitch again. And you need to crochet in the same way for as many rows as you need to cover your wooden ring. Make a chain and turn each time you start a new row. I've got 5 rows in total and I believe that's enough. I'm going to check it now. Yeah, it almost covers the ring. I will stretch it a bit while sewing, so that's enough for my ring. I'll cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop. Now just sew the edges together, covering the ring. I will sew till the end, and then just turn it so the seam is inside. I got till the end. I'll fasten the thread now and weave in the tails. I left a longer tail on the other side just in case I might need it later, but I didn't use it in the end, so you can just weave it in as well. I'll just turn the cover around so the seam is hidden inside. And that's it! The cover for the ring is ready. I'll first attach the ears to the head, place the first one, minus 7 rounds above the eye. I fix the edges first so it doesn't move in the process. And I'll just sew it after that. The first ear is attached, fasten the thread and weave in the tail. Now the second one. Make sure it's placed symmetrically and sew it in a similar way. Fasten the tail and weave it in. All parts of the rattle are ready. Let's sew them together. First, sew the collar to the ring. There is no special way of doing it, so just sew it as you are used to. Now attach the head and sew it as well. I use the same thread. and insert the needle through both the collar and the ring cover. Check if the head is placed symmetrically from time to time. A knot to fasten and weave in all the tails. The bear teether is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it. Follow DidyToys for more amigurumi tutorials. Thanks for watching and thank you so much for your likes and comments. See you!